Hi guys, thank you for stopping by today, and if you are just joining my channel, you are welcome. My name is Teshi and I'm a baker and a social media strategist. So today I want to be sharing mistakes that I made in my early days of baking. Yes, don't know if it's just me, but in my baking journey I have made some kind of mistake that when I think back I regret. Yes, I really regret it. I felt that if I had known all this thing earlier, it would have patterned my life and maybe accelerate my baking growth, because now I just feel like probably I shouldn't be where I am now. But every day we learn, we make mistakes. So now I want to share my own mistakes with you, hoping that you will learn one or two from it. So let's dive in. Number one mistake that's it's paining me is not learning from a good tutor from the beginning. Yes, if the first training I attended, I went to a very good tutor who was good in cakes, I probably wouldn't have gone to three extra places. Yes. See, if you get it right from the first time, you don't know what God did for you. The first place I learned, was not really that good. We were graduating and almost all of us could not even cover cake. So if you want to learn, make sure you go to a good tutor, somebody that knows what he or she is doing. So this is the top mistake on my list, because this mistake actually dragged me back. At the time, I had money to open a shop, but I was just feeling, what do I know? Will I open shop and then when somebody will give me job, I'll not be able to do it well? So this was really bad, really bad for me. The first place I went to was a no. It was really a big no. If I'd gone to the last place I went to for the first place, by now I hope, or I'm thinking, that it would have been better. So that is my first mistake. Now, number two mistake is doing cheap work just because I want to retain the person as a client. See, people that will patronize you. Yes, people that will patronize you will patronize you. Sometimes it's even when they don't have money, that is when they come to you. When I think back on how the kind of work job I've done and the amount, sometimes I just feel like, oh, I was growing. No, so long as you are certified, you have grown. Charge your worth. Charge your worth. Don't think it that, oh, this thing, oh, the person who said, okay, I promise me to charge your worth. And number four mistakes is not taking my business serious on social media on time. I've been on social media for like 4 years, but I've not been posting my business. Why? Because I felt that I don't have a good phone, I don't have good background, I don't have a lot of things. See, where you are is your now. That place that you're starting from. I see some persons that they start from a very rough background. Honestly, I envy them because I don't have that level of courage. I don't want somebody to come and laugh at me today, and that was a big mistake on my part. I did not start from what I have. I did not enter content on time. I didn't start showing people, oh, I'm a baker. I was just a family and friends baker for years before I started showing up that I'm a baker. Because why? I was waiting to have an iPhone. I was waiting. No, it's not necessary. Now to my final mistake. There are many mistakes, but these are the ones I want to share for now. Is self-doubt. My level of confidence was very poor. I see some persons that even those work that I think they are not good is better, but they are so confident in themselves, and that confidence will attract more customers. I was always in self-doubt. I turned down a lot of orders because my mind just said, you cannot do this, they will beat you up, this and that. So please, if you're in a business, the first thing self you should do is believe in yourself, believe in that business, believe that you can do it, even when you're not getting it right from the beginning. Believe that you can do it. You can comfortably do it so long as you have put your mind to it. The mind is so powerful. If you have doubts, once you see an opportunity, the first thing that comes to your mind is no way. But if you believe in yourself, oh, you can do this thing, and once there's opportunity, what comes to your mind is how can I do this instead of no way. So those mistakes really set me back in my baking journey. Thank you so much for watching to this. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like, leave a comment for me. You can say thank you. Also, let me hear your own fears of your early days of baking. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.